Are you looking for a science experiment that you can do at home with your toddler or preschooler? How about trying the lava lamp? It's a science experiment that's super simple and you can do it at home with your child. All you need is a glass jar, measuring cups, water, vegetable oil, food colorant, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. The first thing you will have your child do is pour some vegetable oil into a measuring cup. Then have your child pour the vegetable oil into a glass jar. The oil needs to fill 3/4 of the glass jar. Next, fill a half of a measuring cup with water and add it to the jar filled with oil. The water should only fill 1/4 of the glass jar. Nice and slow, keep going. Keep going, we can do some more. Let's do a little bit more.
There's bubbles in there.
Yes, that's exactly what I want to see. After you start to see bubbles, add 2 or 3 drops of food coloring into the jar. What shapes do they look like right now?
Circles.
Circles, yes, they look like circles. Before adding the 2 Alka-Seltzer tablets to the jar, ask your child to predict what he or she thinks will happen. Making predictions is an important part of science.
Entire cup blue.
You think it's gonna cover the whole entire cup blue?
Or it's going to make an explosion or this or...
You think maybe there's gonna be an explosion?
I think it's going to make a circle at the bottom.
Now see what happens when the Alka-Seltzer is added.
It's covering the whole cup.
It is! For more fun science experiments, follow Before 3 to Succeed on Pinterest.